What's up guys, GGFOREX here, welcome back to day 5. This is Friday, NFP Friday, and I have a few setups I'm looking at for the Ftmo series. And some things happened that I didn't want to happen, especially on I think it's GCAD. Was it GCAD? No, it wasn't GCAD. What was it? EC? Yeah, it was an EC, right? So let me show you what I was looking at on EC on the 1 hour time frame. Basically, it was looking beautiful, right? So let me just zoom out a little bit. I'll show you. So as you can see, I was looking at GC, and it came down into my point of interest, shot up, made more targets, and I was like, yes, okay, right. I wanted this to come down and hit this on London Open, but over the Asian session, it's taken out one of my targets. I've still got this, so this still means something. So depending how the price comes down into this area, will determine whether I get into this trade or not. Because the 1 to 4 is a great trade, but then this could just shoot up from now and take that, and then that's it for the end of the week. It is NFP after all. Anything can happen, especially with the US dollar pairs, right? So that's annoying. I didn't really want that to happen. Kind of frustrating. NZD CAD, I believe. NZD CAD, I wanted to come back up to my point of interest, but it's already taken out my targets, and it looks like it's going to take out these other targets, which is kind of annoying, because you know, it's an opportunity you missed, but that's how it is. So that opportunity is gone. Euro pound, again, it's taken out my targets. It's continuing to go up, so I'm just going to leave that one. CAD Swiss, I'm waiting for more proof in this area for buys, because it's taking out the lows. It gave me targets above. We've got bullish divergence, so it's doing all the right things. I just want to wait for more confirmations on the lower time frames in this area. Yeah, so it's like taken, tested, and I want to do like a test of the test maybe down here. That'll be quite good. It looks positive. If it stays where it is now and starts to flag down, that'll be a good way for me to enter, I believe. Sorry, I got hiccups first thing in the morning. GJ is coming back. It's made lower lows, as in equal lows, sorry. So if these don't get taken, that's good. But if GJ comes back and does some sort of distribution in that area, that'd be good. So yeah. So what I'm waiting for, where's my trade I'm in? So Euro Chef is the one that's got me most excited at the moment. It's come down into my weekly level, accumulated, exploded up, giving me targets. I just want this now, the flag down during London Open, because it's just started, so it's now 10 past 8 in the morning. If this comes down, mitigates out of these orders, and pushes up, because we do have targets here and targets here, and further targets going up as well. So there are plenty of reasons for it to come back. We are at a high time frame point of interest, so this is the most positive trade of the day. If this happens, then that's all I want to happen, really. I'm happy just to walk away after this, because obviously we've got price shooting down, we've got divergence shooting up. We've got a bunch of things happening here, which is good. I just want to actually get triggered in at a nice discount level, but we'll see. I'll keep you guys updated. Okay guys, to give you a quick update on what is going on, obviously I'm in Euro CAD. Probably the only trade I'm going to take today. I don't really want to take more, especially with oh God, I can't speak. Especially with the dollar news this morning, but it's going all right. It's approaching TP1. If I go to the 4 hour time frame, you can see there is a 4 hour candle up here. So I'm expecting a potential reaction off this. So hence why I've got TP1 there, and it is half of the move. So go out to the 1 hour. It's all looking promising, it's all looking good. It just tagged me in and just ran away. So this is going well so far. This is what it is. So it's approaching first TP. And yeah, so we'll see how things go. I'll keep you guys updated. But yeah. I can't remember if I was saying this to you guys or not this morning, because it's just been a bit busy. But I marked up CAD Swiss. And I didn't do it because I was already in Euro Swiss. That was my main trade of the day. But then look exactly what happened. We have liquidated the lows. We accumulated price. We have targets up here. And I was just going to go for a 1 to 3 because it's super easy, super clean. But I didn't want to trade this pair, as I was already going for Euro Swiss, right? So I didn't want to take the risk. but it would have worked perfectly. It is what it is. I can't argue with it, but I'm glad my actual analysis played out beautifully and is playing out. I'm sure it will hit TP eventually, because I would have already taken half off this trade by now and let it ride, move it to break even, and it looks quite good. But update on my actual Euro Swiss trade, still going strong, almost at TP1. But yeah, so it would have been 2 beautiful trades today, but as it is non-farm payroll day, I didn't want to take the risk. I wanted to protect my capital, just go for 1 trade and see how it goes. But there you go, guys. This will happen to you a lot. That you don't take one and it works out great. You take another one and it might not work out great. But yeah, it is what it is. I'll keep you guys updated. Okay, guys, keep you updated. Euro Swiss has hit TP1 and is going well. Stop loss moved to break even. There's a trade there. And if I go to my history, see it there, happened today, the 5th, and yeah, 750 taken out, so half taken off, half put on, and if I go to this, I should update it for you. Well, not quite yet, but while that gets ready to update, let me show you what's happened on CAD Chef, which one I didn't do this morning, but look at it. It's looking beautiful, and I'm definitely predicting these highs to be taken, so I'll update you on this at the end of the day. But yeah, it was just a beautiful trade. I couldn't take both, just because I didn't want to take the risk, and I don't need to, because it's only the 5th day here. So I'm only on the challenge for the 5 days, and now I'm currently up. That is 4%, 4.1% I'm up. If the next TP hits today and doesn't stop me out at break even, by the looks of it, everything against this chef, the chef's looking really weak, so I'm buying against the chef, so it's making a lot of sense. It looks like it will hit TP2 today, it's not that far away. If it hits that, then I'll be up another 2%, right? So I'll be up another 2% where I am now, so plus 2. So we're up 6.1% if all goes well today, and it's only week 1. So 6.1%, I'm over halfway to the challenge. I'm super happy with that, especially it being NFP as well. So I'll keep you guys updated, but so far it's looking great. I'm just gonna watch a movie now. The risk is off the table. I've already made some videos for the course for you guys. And yeah, so yeah, now I'm gonna chill out. It's coming up to 11:30, which means that New York is opening up at 12 o'clock, not 1 o'clock, or 12:30, not 1:30, right? So be aware of that, because now obviously GMT, daylight savings times, has gone back an hour, but the rest of the world has stayed the same. So what used to be 1:30, New York open, is now 12:30. So expect some volatility during that time, expect some reversals during that time. Hence why now half is off and the other half is at break even and just letting it run. So play it safe, guys. That's the update. Let me just see if Ftmo's updated their end. Yes, it has. Check this out. As you have a look, this is my Ftmo account. 9 trades. I haven't actually done 9 trades. I've only ever done, obviously I need to add it in, but I've actually only done 4 trades, but it's turned into 9 because obviously I'm partially out of it. So I need to add my Euro Swiss into here when it fully completes. It hasn't completed yet, so I'm not gonna add it in. But yeah, so that is the Euro Swiss trade at the moment. And yeah, so today's profits are saying it's 1,400, but it's not, because obviously taking half off. But yeah, so far so good. Here's my trades, and yeah, we'll just see how things go. But what is quite cool is my average RR is 1 to 5, right? And my average loss is $75 or £75. My average win is 413, so that's really good. And my win rate, look at the win rate, 77. I told you, when I get out of work, my win rate will go up. I'm going to wait for my confirmation. So my win rate is now at 77%, which is good. It'll be nice to see what happens at the end of the challenge. But yeah, these are all my trades. They would actually be all green, but remember that one, red one there, that was caused by slippage. I was actually at break even, but price moved so fast it couldn't close me out at break even. So that should be green. But it is what it is. And yeah, guys, I'll keep you updated. Okay, guys, just a quick update on the trade. I've been stopped out at break even after the New York Open, which I was expecting a reversal. It could still work out if I was to hold it, but as it is NFP and I've already profited today, don't really care and don't really want to take the risks. NZD, I mean CAD Chef worked out really well. Obviously it came up. The only thing that's making me think that Euro Chef will work out is because it made more targets. So depending on what happens here, we could see another opportunity on the lower time frames to get back in. But what did work out was the one I was looking at yesterday, which was it was beautiful, really. It was a beautiful setup. The only thing I didn't like was the fact that it took the liquidity up here. If it didn't, I would have had this pending. But the fact it did kind of put me off, and it's NFP, and the fact that I was already in Euro Chef. I didn't want to be in Euro Chef and Euro CAD on NFP Friday. But I don't mind, so at the end of the day, I'm up 4%. 4% on the account's growth, which is amazing for me. But yeah, so yeah, 4% on that one. Well, not 4% now, but 4% overall. But you can still see the pound is still crashing. But we'll see what happens on EuroChef. If we see another accumulation in here, could be a good opportunity because it has made more targets, but it most likely will be now Monday. But again, I'm happy. I made my 1% today. Moving on to next week, feeling good. This is going well, and I'll just give you a quick little blast at the Ftmo account just in case you guys forgot. So yeah, this is where I am at the moment. I've done 4 days of trading and I'm 4% up. I still can't believe that I'm, what am I, 77% win rate, which is unheard of for you guys who know the channel. And average RR of 1 to 5.7, which is crazy. But yeah, I'm really happy with how the challenge is going. It's now just being patient, sitting on my hands, seeing what carnage happens today, and then look for opportunities Monday, because there's definitely going to be an opportunity in Euro Swiss if it doesn't take those highs today. And there's definitely going to be an opportunity on Euro CAD, depending what happens, right? But anyway, guys, I hope you have a good week. Hope you've enjoyed the series so far. This is day 5, and it's going to be amazing. So remember, guys, like, share, subscribe. I'll see you on the next one, where it will be technically day 6, Monday. But yeah, have a good weekend, chill out, relax, and also study your ass off when you can, because it definitely works. See you then, guys.